So here we have a mid-terraced 1950s bungalow. Looks like it's cavity wall because it's 1950s. Let's see if it's got any cavity wall drill holes. So there's one there. Looking for a pattern. Another one there along the same course. And another one here. There you go, that's a pattern. Another one there. Right. What type of electric meter has it got? So that's a dual weight. Weight 1 to weight 2. Weight 1, weight 2. So it looks like a dual weight, even though it says super deal tariff. The super deal tariff is very expensive because it gives a medium price electric and low and then high. And it's a sort of a number 3. So yeah. So it could still be a super deal tariff. Weight 1, weight 2 and weight 3, yes. Gosh. Okay, that's a 3-weight tariff. Probably a good idea for the new resident to contact the supplier and make sure they're on Economy 7 deal. So the bathroom. 1 electric shower, no bath. Peak and off-peak, restricted and unrestricted boards. Panel heater with programmer and room stat. Redundant air vent in the floor, probably from a historic warm air system. And a panel for an old vent that's no longer there. Here we have a modern slimline night storage heater, which is a Dimplex, I believe an XLS. And the kitchen, no fixed heating in the kitchen, not a habitable room. The lounge, another XLS, and a Dimplex Quantum. Looks like an RF series because it has. Looks like an RF series, but it doesn't say it is. It's a Series Y, so a later model. QM125. So the lounge has 2 storage heaters. And then 1 modern slimline and 1 high heat retention storage heater. The back door, cavity wall is 300mm thick. And the rear wall is also cavity wall filled. Yeah, there's a drill hole there and a drill hole there. Right. Rear elevation. House is sticking out there as a nib. Well, I'll measure that and it's flush with that property. Not all the light bulbs in this property are low energy. That one isn't either. This is a bedroom, and there's a CXL combined. So we have 3 different types of storage heaters and a panel heater. Not seeing any hot water as of yet. Let's try this. There's the dual controls for the possible dual immersion up in the loft. Let's go and have a look up there. So the party wall is blockwork, and there's a large spray foam. Let's see if we can get an idea of how thick that is. That looks about 38mm. Dual immersion hot water tank in the loft. I'm not crawling over there because there's no crawl board and doesn't look very safe. Not sure where the joists are, so definitely not. Also there's rats droppings up here. There's the rats droppings. And the insulation thickness there is approximately 300mm. And it's quite even throughout the property. There's also insulation at the rafters, but we're not adding that. Okay, 21st of November 23. Rental social. It's a bungalow, mid terraced, suburban, and there's no extensions, there's no gas, and it's a dual rate meter. Okay, so we have one bedroom and a lounge and another bedroom. So 3 heated habitable rooms. And the outlets, we have a kitchen strip light, we have an incandescent in the lounge, we have an LED in the hall, a CFL in the bedroom, a CFL in the utility store area. So 7 outlets, and 4 of which are low energy. We have a shower that's electric, build date 50 to 66. Glazing, haven't done that. So the glazing is UPVC, unknown date, 16mm thick. So normal amount of glazing, unknown date, UPVC, 100%, and it's 16mm thick. No open fires. Better get a photograph of the open fires. No chimney on the property, so no need for the photograph showing the blocked up chimney, as there won't be one. No open chimneys, 2 door, front door and a back door, not insulated. Conservatory no. Hot water tank, medium size, spray foam, 38mm, even though I struggled to measure it due to safety reasons. But I could see it sticking out when I leaned over and took that photo. There's a panel heater present. Now we have 2 main types of heating system, both of which are storage heaters, which run on electricity. Here we go, what have we got? So we've got modern slimline, we have integrated, and we have high heat retention storage heater. We have a QM 125 Series Y in the lounge. We have a XL in the lounge. We have another XL in the hallway, that large one. And then we have a CXL in bedroom 1 and a panel heater in bedroom 2. So we have main wall is cavity, and it was 300mm thick, and it had been retrofilled. The party wall is unknown, no alternate walls, because it could be block or it could be solid, it could be cavity. No way of telling really. Ground floor, solid as built, and the loft insulation was at joists and it was at 300mm, some at rafters. Not counted. Just write that on the site notes. Okay, we're on the roof now. No renewables. And then we have the bungalow, party wall, the nib, back door, lounge, party wall, front door, and then we got the kitchen, WC, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and then the loft hatch and the hot water tank, hot water storage vessel in the loft. Okay, and there we go. We've got QM there, XL there, CXL there, panel heater there, and then we've got a XL here. So we need this measurement here, that measurement there, and then the nib, and then the room height. So 59.75 meters squared. 8 meters by 7.4. Let's get that written down. Ceiling height 2.29. I don't want to mix outdoor and indoor measurements, so 1185 is what we measured outside, minus 300 is what's that, 885, 885, 0 point. Okay, let's do the maths. So 1695 heat loss perimeter, this one times 2, add that, and then the party ball 7446 times 2 minus that 1401, and there we go. Now if I was going to go and do an upgrade, what I'd do is change all the heaters to quantums. So in the lounge we need a extra QM 70 in there to replace the XL, so we'll need a peak rate supply to that storage heater. In the hallway replace the XL to a quantum 125, so we need another peak rate supply for there. And then bedroom 1 panel heater to a quantum 50, so it leaves an off-peak supply for that one. So we have to check the fuse board to see if there are any spare ways on there. And then bedroom 2, that was. Bedroom 1 is a CXL, which is a combined storage heater, and put in a quantum 70 there. So no extra wiring needed at all. Let's go and check the fuse board. So the restricted supply here has actual fuses, so it's not got breakers on a distribution board. So the fuse board will need to be upgraded. There is a spare way there for adding an extra one, say, into that bedroom 2, but really those fuses are a little bit out of date. You know, even that one's a bit out of date too. It's not a metal one, but we're not messing around with the peak supply, and that's for the water heating. And so we need a new off-peak board, and hopefully that will bring it up to a C69 on the EPC. I'll come back and revisit, and we'll do a part 2 on this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out the description for a link to the free site notes and the EPC equipment that I use. Thanks for watching. Bye.